If we talk about my initial understanding of the functions of social work, I think we need to go back to the context of my initial understanding to the course or to the social work profession itself. You see, there was once a time when our teacher told us that si social worker ay hindi lang tagabigay ng delata, tagabigay ng ayuda, you know. And that quote really hit me hard. It it hurts kasi I was one of those people na I was one of those students who is studying social work course, but I was also one of those people who thought that way, that si social worker ay tagabigay lamang ng delata. I mean, social work course wasn't my first choice, so it really hit me hard. I didn't have any initial understanding about what really social work is. Kung ano nga ba yung meron sa kanya, ano yung function niya, ano yung, kumbaga, ano yung sense? Why do I have to study 4 years just to be a giver of canned goods or to be a giver of ayuda? So when we discussed the thing about the social work course or about the functions of social work, it really hit me hard. That was a big realization for me. I really remembered it. It really etched on my mind. I couldn't forget about it for say a week. You know, it was a big realization na si social work ay hindi lang pala ganun ang function niya, na hindi lang siya tagabigay ng canned goods. We restore, we prevent, and we develop. The functions of social work connected to me personally in a way that I can relate to it. You know, to prevent, to develop, and to restore. You know, a lot, a lot of our life experiences comes from being broken, being hurt, or experiencing pain. You know, and there's nothing we could do but experience those painful moments. We learn from them, we develop from them. Pero even if we are hurt, we restore ourselves, we cure ourselves, and we learn from those mistakes, so we prevent those things from happening again, those painful memories, those painful experiences, and we develop ourselves so that we could become a better person of ourselves. When I was at senior high school, I lost a very, very close loved one. I couldn't protect him. And from that pain, from that experiences, I don't know how, but I managed. I never really did restore myself, but I managed. I coped up. I wasn't what I was when before the event happened, but I did restore myself, but not not how it was before. Then from that moment on, I told myself that I need to prevent those kind of things to happen again. So I developed. I mastered my confidence. I became a better version of me. I talked with people. I communicate. I engaged in conversations. and I became me as the present, a happy one. It's a memory that I could never ever forget, but I think it's a learning for me. It's an experience, as I said. We learn from those. We develop from those. So that's how I think I can relate in a real world situation. The interesting thing about the functions of social work is that, I mean, it's very interesting on how you could put the function of the social work profession in three words itself: to develop, to prevent, and to restore. As I said before, I really didn't have enough knowledge about social work profession, about social work course. I really wouldn't be able to forget what Sir Ahmad said, that si social work ay hindi lang nagbibigay ng dilata, hindi lang siya nagbibigay ng ayuda. It's very surprising to me, to be honest, na malaman ko na si social work ay nagre-restore ng kung anong nangyari na dysfunction, nagpe-prevent na mangyari yung mga dysfunction na ganun, and we develop things to be better. So it's interesting in that way na hindi lang siya ganun, na hindi lang siya nagbibigay ng delata. I would talk about this for a very very long time. I think I would talk about it in the future, because as I said, it really hit me when Sir Ahmad said that quote, na hindi lang nagbibigay ng delata, because I was one of those people who thought of it that way. And I would tell this, I would talk to this, I will utter this on and on and on, because it really hit me. The impact of the function of social work in my understanding or in my insight really really broadened my experience, or say my point of view on social work profession. I mean, hindi ko man naging first choice si social work course. I began to love this course. I began to understand how it works, how it functions. So, it's a big impact for me na walang alam na pumasok dito sa social work course na ito. The very applicable part of the function of social work, I mean, the three functions of social work is applicable in my daily life, pero I think the very applicable one is the preventive and the developmental. I learned how to prevent dysfunction to happen in my daily life. I became more aware of the things that are happening in myself, and through that I began to develop. Unknowingly, I developed myself in a sense that I could understand, I could know how to prevent things from happening or from escalating. So it's a very helpful thing to know, lalo na sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. The best takeaways, or the main takeaway that I have while we were talking about, or we were discussing about the functions of social work, is that when a dysfunction happens and we restore it, we restore things, we help to restore that dysfunction, Hindi lang siya basta-basta na we restore it, you know. Kasi may distinct na, I learned that there's a distinct way on how we help to restore that dysfunction. There's the curative and the rehabilitative way. And I think it's the main takeaway that I have kasi na-realize ko lang na we don't just restore things. There is a way, on how we systematically develop or how we systematically restore that thing or that dysfunction and help 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 that dysfunction or help that um thing to restore or that situation, and we help them develop. So I think that's the main takeaway that I have. Of course, I mean, I wouldn't really talk about the main takeaway na yung sinabi ni Sir Ahmad about the ayuda and the canned goods. That's let's have enough of that. Yun lang.